Out-of-towners came into my open house once, and they noted that many of the homes they'd gone into were empty, much like the one we were standing in. And they asked me, is this a Maryland thing? Do sellers often move before selling their old home? I chuckled a bit and said, I don't think it's a Maryland thing. They asked me, well, how did they do that? I said, well, it's entirely possible that the sellers used a bridge loan. Have you gone on showings or to open houses and noticed that they're empty? How was it that the seller was able to buy their new home without selling their old home? It's entirely possible that they used a bridge loan as their solution. If you're thinking of selling your house, but the idea of people traipsing through your old home before you're able to move doesn't sound too appealing to you, then a bridge loan may be a solution for you too. Welcome to my channel, Kelly's Corner of Real Estate. My name is Kelly Wise. I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of Maryland. So what exactly is a bridge loan? A bridge loan has many names. Sometimes it's referred to as a swing loan or bridge line, gap financing, interim financing. Essentially what it does is it bridges the gap during times when financing is needed but not yet available. They have short terms, so they're usually 6 months to 1 year, and the process for underwriting is generally faster than on a traditional loan. There are two options lenders generally give buyers. The first option is a lender provides funds that equal the difference between up to 80% of the buyer's home value and their current loan balance as a second mortgage or a HELOC. This second mortgage goes towards the down payment for the new home, while the first mortgage stays the same until the home sells and the mortgage is paid off. Now, the second option that's usually provided is that you would take out a loan for up to 80% of your home's value. With that money, you pay off your first mortgage. The funds for the second mortgage are then applied to the down payment for the new home. Every lender will package a bridge loan differently. So what's important is whether or not it makes sense for you and your goals and your needs. The positives of a bridge loan are that it has a very quick application and underwriting process. It's also cash access immediately, and it allows you to make an offer on a new home without the contingency of selling your current home. Before we jump into the negatives of a bridge loan, have you clicked subscribe yet? How about the bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos? If not, what are you waiting for? Okay, now let's go into some of the negatives of a bridge loan. Bridge loans are not an option for everybody because they require at least 20% equity. Interest rates on a bridge loan can be very high. They're still based on your credit worthiness, but for a residential transaction, I've heard they can be as high as 10.5%. If your old home does not sell, you will then be stuck with your new mortgage, your old mortgage, and your bridge loan. A bridge loan is a secured debt, so it requires using your house, your current house, as collateral, which means you're risking losing your current home. If a bridge loan sounds like an option for you, then check out my free guide on 7 tips to a fast sale. The link is in the description box down below. After hearing the negatives of a bridge loan, if it sounds too risky for you, then there are some other options you could look into for getting cash out of your house, like using a HELOC or a home equity loan. But if using a bridge loan sounds fantastic, you should definitely reach out to your lender to find out if you qualify and how you can best use this in your strategy for buying your new home. If you don't have a lender, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to share a list with you of some that I've worked with and loved and enjoyed working with on past transactions. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Kelly Wise. I am a licensed real estate agent here in the state of Maryland. I hope to see you guys next weekend. Bye.